Alright, so jumping right into it, coming out of this J box right here on the left, going up top with this 3/4 with a back-to-back 90, 3-point saddle, C conduit, back-to-back 90, and then going into a future disconnect. Brian mostly worked on this, but we worked on this, tag teamed it, and then pulled wire once we got the pipe in, which turned out really nicely, if I do say so myself. We got the receptacles in, the wire pulled, all that good stuff, turned the circuit on, so that's ready to go in the nurse call panel. And then over here on the left, we went ahead and grabbed a measurement with the Mule tape for this ground wire, which is going to go across the building, which actually turned out to be 140 feet. So it leaves this IDF room. So this Mule tape is just sitting there temporarily, so don't get too crazy. But the Mule tape comes out of this room and then goes to the whalebone cable tray. It has a lot of different bends in it, but mostly it just goes down this hallway and then takes a left like 40 or 50 feet into the other rooms across the building, which we've been working on. And then after filming this video, I realized that the ceiling tile was open, so I went ahead and closed that. But then after this, once we got that measurement, went ahead and went and started pulling some string, and then after that we'll transition that to a Mule tape once we get all the string tied together, because there's like 5 C conduits, because it's like a 340-foot pole across the building, down like 3 stories, and across the building a second time. So worked on that, didn't get any video footage of that, but I will show you guys that tomorrow. Thanks for watching, see you then.